Yeah, today we're talking on adjunct, which is the last element in SPCA. Adjunct, in other words, means adverb. We talked about this in the last video. Try as much and check the previous videos to see our journey through SPCA from subject to predicate, from predicate to complement. Now we are talking about the last element in SPCA, which is adjunct, which in other words means adverb or adverbial. Remember, an adverb tells us a lot about verb. For example, it tells us the time, the place, the reason, the degree, the consension, the frequency, and so on and so forth of the action. For example, Abe speaks English. Could be Abe speaks English quickly, Abe speaks English every day, Abe speaks English at 2 o'clock. Abe speaks English very well. Abe speaks English because he knows grammar. Abe speaks English although he's a Yoruba man. So now let's analyze it. Abe is a subject, while speaks is a verb, which is a predicator. Now, English is the complement. I said Abe speaks English. English in this context is a complement. So Abe speaks English quickly. Quickly here is an adverb of manner, the manner in which he speaks English. Every day here is an adverb of frequency, how often Abe speaks English. At 2 o'clock, Abe speaks English at 2 o'clock is an adverb of time, that is the time at which he speaks English. Very well is adverb of degree. The word very shows the high degree in which Abe speaks English language. Abe speaks English because he knows grammar. This is adverb of reason. Why does he speak English? It's because he knows grammar. Abe speaks English although he is a Yoruba man. This is adverb of consension. So now, I hope you understand the concept, the idea in adverb, which is adjunct in this SPCA journey. So now, you should not write any sentence which has no subject or predicator. I have explained that of SPCA, the P is the most important. When you make a clause, start with S plus P, which is subject plus predicator. Under P, which is the predicator, choose one of the 5 patterns of arranging verb. I said that in the previous video under predicator. If you find it necessary, add more information about the action, then add the adjunct, which is the last element of SPCA. But remember, you cannot have only S. That is, you cannot have only subject in a sentence. For example, Ben. What happened to Ben? And yes, you cannot have only C, which is the complement, in a sentence. It makes no sense. Also, you cannot have only A in a sentence, which is adjunct. It will make no sense. You can, however, have only P, which is the predicate, as in a command to somebody. Go, speak, stand. So by now, if you are following our videos, you must have learned everything under SPCA. I am Kayode Akindele.